Hello everyone, I am Vicky Chheda. I did my Bachelor's in Engineering from K. J. Somaiya College of Engineering, University of Mumbai. I appeared in GATE exam in the year of 2009. I secured 98.6 percentile in GATE. I then went on to do my Masters from IIT Guwahati in the field of digital signal processing. I did my master's project in the field of wireless communication, and now I'm associated with Vidya Lankar in the training GATE aspirants. I believe that having only BE degree will only take you to a particular stage in the industries. If you want to go further in the industries, you must have a master's degree in your hand. Also, suppose if you want to work in the industry in the field of your interest, having only BE degree will not help you to get a job in that field of your interest. So after doing BE, you should go for a master's, go for MTech and do MTech in the field of your interest, and then from there go on to take up a job in the field which you like the most, which you want to work into. So having master's degree at that point of time will give you an edge over all those other people who don't have a master's degree, and you also gain a lot of knowledge working, studying in that particular field during your masters. I would like to give you an example based on this point. Suppose any one of you wants to work in the VLSI industry. Now getting into the VLSI companies or cracking the interviews of the companies which work into VLSI with just BE degree would be very much difficult, because you don't study this subject of VLSI in very much depth in your BE degree. So if you go on to do a master's in VLSI, in that case you gain a lot of knowledge in this field. You also learn a lot of tools, softwares which are related to this particular field, and that makes you very much comfortable with this field, and also increase your chances to get the jobs of VLSI field. I believe that the best best period to start GATE preparation is when you enter the third year of your engineering. That's because most of the topics which are there in the GATE syllabus, they are there in the second year, or the remaining topics you study in the third year of engineering. So when you just enter the third year of engineering, most of the subjects which you have learned, which you have studied in the second year, are still fresh in your mind, and also the remaining subjects you will be studying in the third year of engineering. So this will save you a lot of time behind the theory preparation, because you're already preparing the theory of these topics for your university exam. So all you have to do is take out some extra time and start practicing the questions from those topics. This will save you a lot of time, and when you enter the fourth year, you are done with the theory of most of the topics. So all you have to do is just continue practicing questions in the fourth year. That will make you the best in terms of preparation when you appear for the GATE in the fourth year. Also in the fourth year, you will be a lot busy with your project and so many other things, which will not give you much time to study the theory of the topics. And that's why I suggest that if you start the preparation in the third year itself, where you don't have the final year project or also the placement preparations, you can give a lot of time to the theory preparation of the subject, and then preparing the questions, practicing the questions will be very much easy if you already know the theory. And that's why I believe that you should start preparing for the GATE exams in the third year of engineering. Nowadays, most of the PSUs and so many other companies which work into the core field of engineering, they have made it mandatory for the students who they recruit to have the MTech degree, or at least the GATE qualification. And because of that, it is very important that you appear for the GATE, get a MTech degree, so that you can get a good job in this core industries and also in most of the public sector units. Also, those students who want to go for higher studies in PhD and do PhD, just having BE degree from non-IT universities will be difficult for you to get a good PhD position in big universities in India as well as in abroad. But if you have the MTech from IIT, this IIT tag will get you very good universities to do the PhD. So this will definitely help you in terms of getting a job in the core industries as well as if you want to go further for PhD.